Yo, quick little update on the Monte Carlo, on the Aero Coupe. Powder coated some Monte Carlo stocks. Charcoal gray. Came out pretty nice. I'm gonna be putting them on. Taking the intros off. Thinking about selling the intros. I don't know yet. Let me know if you're interested. My sticker kit has a little charcoal gray in it. So, slap these on. See what it looks like. I always like them clean with the stocks on, so I already know once I put them on, it's gonna be a while before I put the billets on. Since we in this coronavirus, I don't know when that's gonna be. Oh yeah, they look good.
He seen that little chip too. He goes, "Hey, there's a little chip on these."
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Well, here's the video with them on. Ain't no sun out right now, so it's the best I got going right now in the garage. Yeah, but I like it. It's gonna stay like this for a minute. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna slap these on the hearse right now. Yeah, but I like that. That charcoal gray. What, the charcoal gray? Yeah, that looks nice. Thinking about smoking the taillights. What you think? Still no sun out. I'm liking how it looks. Need this cloud to move and I'll get some sun.
That's how I feel. That's how I know this is rude. But that's how it